Meet the MSI INSPIRE ITX, the newest and tiniest addition to the RTX 5060 lineup. At just 145 long, it's shorter than most ITX cards, which are typically around 170 It's almost as small as the PCIe slot it plugs into, but don't let its size fool you. This little beast is packed with power, featuring a single-fan cooling system and a copper-core heatsink, a modern twist on MSI's classic Cyclone design. And with an 8-pin power connector, it's ready to deliver serious performance. Designed for Mini-ITX builds, the INSPIRE ITX is perfect for compact gaming rigs. It boasts a boost clock speed of up to 2,512 MHz for the overclocked OC version, making it a strong contender even in its tiny form. And with enough room on the PCB for the GPU chip, memory, VRM, and display ports, this card is engineered for efficiency. While MSI hasn't revealed the price yet, excitement is building because this is their first and only ITX model for the RTX 5060. Its extra-small design and golden styling make it a standout choice for any small form factor build. So, if you're planning to build a compact yet powerful gaming PC, the MSI INSPIRE ITX might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching. For more updates on the latest GPUs, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.